Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a little bit of news on Google Chrome 1.15 that started rolling out in the past couple of days, and contains a new way of actually using cookies, or actually moving to a new system rather than the good old cookies that we've had for so many years. And of course, all of that is to enable a little more privacy to the user, but still getting tracked. And it's called the Privacy Sandbox. Now, this feature that was rolling out with 1.15 is not actually enabled yet. And here's how it's going to roll out. So, starting July 24th, there is going to be a rollout to about 35%, roughly, something like 35% of users will start getting this new feature. And that means that starting next week, starting July 24th, if you start seeing that maybe some websites don't seem to deal well with the way it works, it is possible that it has to do with that, as it changes the way that everything works in tracking. So that means that some websites might actually not follow these new rules. And they are planning that 35% will be moved up to roughly 99% of Chrome 115 users by mid-August. And when actually Chrome 1.16 gets to the stable channels for everybody in August, at that point, pretty much everybody will have the new way of working. Like I said, it's called Privacy Sandbox, and it's basically replacing the snooping of cookies, which basically tells everybody where you've been, and instead changes that with categories. So basically, if you go see, like I said, say you go see cat videos or cat websites, well, instead of having every website being scanned that you went to, it will be simply sending out that person likes cats, and so on. So whatever you are looking at, it'll be a category, general category, rather than specific websites that are snooped on. Now, this is still snooping, but it's a different way. Google says that it will enable more privacy to the user, so that's what they say. And so, July 24th, 35% of us are going to be guinea pigs, and by the end of mid-August, 99% of us will be there on 1.15. And also, everybody will have it with 1.16, Chrome 1.16 coming up in August. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.